Hi, this is Jackie from ESLspeaking.org. Today I'm going to talk about the top 7 ways to practice English listening. Number 1 is maybe the best one, the most interesting one in my opinion, is to watch TV or movies. Subtitles is kind of the question with this, and I would say it really depends on your level. If you're able to watch an English TV or movie without subtitles and still understand almost everything, that's probably the best option. If that isn't possible, turn on the subtitles, but don't turn off your brain. Be sure to listen carefully. All right, number 2, podcasts. I love to listen to podcasts when I'm exercising, cooking dinner, cleaning my house, or even just hanging out with my cat Lucy at nighttime. So find a podcast that you're interested in. It can be for English learners, or if you're advanced enough, it can just be a regular podcast. And then listen regularly. All right, number 3 is to join a Meetup group or an expat club where English is the language of choice. Go to that club and then talk to people. This will help you improve your listening skills. Number 4 is to prepare for something like the IELTS or the TOEFL or TOEIC listening test. Get a preparation book and then prepare for that test. Those books are great. It will help you listen for specific things in a very targeted way. All right, number 5 is to read and listen. By this, I mean if you're watching a movie or TV show, you can read the subtitles and then also listen. If everything is happening too fast for you, play 1 or 2 sentences, pause, and then think about what you just heard and read the subtitles. Press start, 1 or 2 more sentences, and then stop and then think about what you just heard. If you want to level up, repeat what you just heard as well, and then get some speaking practice as well. All right, next one is to take a class and then ask the teacher if you can record the class on your phone. This is a way to go home and then get some additional listening practice, and you may not have caught everything in the class, but you can go back and then listen more slowly to what you heard. All right, the 7th way to practice English listening is to read more. I know these tips are about listening, but if you read more, you'll expand your vocabulary and English grammar, and then what you hear will make more sense. You'll be able to pick out more of the words that you hear and understand more of the grammar constructions. All right, so those are my top 7 tips for English listening. If you want some more help with English, be sure to check out my book, 1001 English Expressions and Phrases. Also hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your top way to practice English listening. Until next time, bye everybody.